Alright, so when I was uninstalling the holiday lights today, I remembered I purchased a USB cord with switch. It was for a set of fairy lights that I installed, and I wanted to be able to power it on and off without unplugging it from the USB port. It was a 3-pack, and I used it on the holiday decorations because there were two wreaths that needed to plug into a USB brick. So I had a dual USB brick, but the ports are real close together. So the cords on the holiday lights, it had a controller, had some circuitry, so they couldn't really fit together side by side. So I used my USB switch as a jumper, one of the three. And I saw that third one and said, hey, you know what? I made a video about remote power for the Dashcam. And the reason why I didn't use a standard USB battery pack was because it didn't have an on-off switch. So I put the on-off switch on the USB battery, and we're going to try it tomorrow. I did a dry run. This one is pretty slim, so it does fit well in the sun visor. It doesn't really sit well, but it's slimmer, so it doesn't hang down as much. So we're going to try this tomorrow, and it does power on the dash cam when I engage the toggle switch. So we might have something here. Just sharing that information with you, and if it helps you out, cool. If not, then